Welcome back guys to another video. Ignore the fact that my table is covered with random electronics for the X-ray machine. Guess what's in this package? If you guessed X-ray intensifying screen, you are correct. I bought this over from my friend Ruslan Geek. I will link his YouTube channel in the description, you can see it right now. He's a really good guy. He sells them almost brand new and at a reasonable price. Not like on eBay where you have to pay like $200 and then $200 shipping as an additional. So yeah, go check his YouTube channel out. It's really cool. He also works with X-rays and he has also made his own X-ray tube. I might try to do that in the future, but right now I do not have the patience to build my own CNC machine. How do you open this? Oh, I found one opening. Wait, we are extracting the intensifying screen now. Okay, here it is. Okay, we have the screen. It's a Renex. I think you can see it. Renex EU G300. Little bit yellowed, but that's okay. All we care about is that it works. I know that at full power that this circuit can deliver, this screen barely lights up. You can see it barely with your with the camera. You can see a faint glow with your eyes too. I expect this to be even brighter. Okay. Alright, first test, very close to the tube at low power. Oh my god, that's so nice. It's glowing, like visibly, like you don't need even long exposure. Okay, let's put it a bit more far. Let's put it here. I'll remind you, this is low power. This driver cannot output too much power. Let's do it. Whoa! That just glows and like visibly. My screen, okay, I'll do my screen for comparison. Here's my screen. You see? It glows, but not too much. Let's do the other screen again. One, two, three. Yeah, that is way brighter. That is visibly brighter. Oh no, I forgot to turn on the cooler. Okay, look at this. It glows, and imagine how bright it will be with my new driver. I have a new driver coming in the mail soon. You know what? Just for fun, I'll take an X-ray of my hand. One moment. First, we need to put the lead sheet in our pants. One moment. There we go. We have the lead sheet for the balls. Let's now do it. What have we learned from this? Ruska Pochta! And that my hand will never be the same again. So I have decided to irradiate this apple for 5 minutes. I don't know why, but let's see what happens to it. The tube is too hot to touch, especially here. It's like way too hot. and the apple is now like shivered up or something. This is the exposed side. This one's not exposed. Exposed? Something. I don't know, I'll just track how it looks after like every hour or something. You know what? I'm curious. How does it taste? Apple. It's an apple, nothing changed. So I have made a better driver here, and you will see the result image is much brighter now. Okay, this sums it up for this video. Oh my god, someone keeps messaging me on Discord. Okay, this sums it up for this.
Renex, усиливающий экран.
This sums it up for this video. This sums it up for this video. This X-ray tube has endured a lot already. It almost overheated today. Write in the comments what you want me to X-ray. I literally ran out of ideas. Thank you for watching and have a good day.